Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for my own analysis, learning and for educational purpose. Please subscribe to my channel for daily watch list. Do subscribe it to learn a strategy which I use every day. Always trade with SL. Keep SL below the 5-minute candle low which breaks the level for the upside and above the 5-minute candle high which breaks the level and okay, so today for 15th October in my watch list I have selected few, but before that I will go through yesterday performance of 14th October. For 14th October, first I had suggested PNB housing below 562. So this scenario was the perfect one. So once 5-minute candle closed, then we entered at around 360, and even when 360 was broken, it went up to in the in the next 5-minute candle it went up to 354. So five rupees were enough. By the way, the low was 352, so this worked very well. Then was SBI Life. SBI Life also I had given sale below 782. So this also, see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth candle closed below 782. So the best place to trade was around 781.65. So 788, no, 781 was the best place to enter with SL 784. So this also gave movement up to 776. So by trailing, we would have logged very good profit. The third in my list was SDFC Life. SDFC Life did not give uh, good movement because the first 5-minute candle itself was a big one. So see, my all strategy I select a stock for next day, and all my levels should be executed before 10:30. That's my strategy, so that working people also can trade. So all the three yesterday, if you will see, it gave movement in both the side. See here, I had given buy call for PNB housing above 366. So it once it break 366, then also it gave very good movement. So all this movement yesterday came because Nifty and Bank Nifty and movement and moratorium news, interest on interest waiver news. Okay, so for 15th October in my watch list, first is Escort. Escort from last few days is was correcting, and now it again came in this range. So today I have selected Escort for both the scenario, either upside or downside. In upside, if it opens below 1237 and then it breaks 1237, then again it may give 510 rupees movement in the upper side. And in the lower side, if it breaks 1225, then it may correct 510 rupees. So the probably if it will break in 1225, then it will give very fast movement. I am not biased toward any side. Since this is correction, it may spike also. The second in my list is HCL Tech. HCL Tech, I feel if it breaks 895, then again it will give 4 5 rupees movement in the upside above. It may go above 8 9 900, yeah, 900 to 905. But my first target will be 2 3 rupees above 895. And if it breaks downside, the downside 885, then first it may take little resistance at around 882, and if 882 also is broken, then it may come up to 875 something. Hindalco also I have selected. So Hindalco I have selected because it was taking resistance at this trend line in 5 minute candle from last 3 days. So first it touched here, first, second, third, fourth. Yesterday also it was taking resistance at 175. So now if 175 is broken, then it may give 1 2 rupees movement. Fourth in my watch list is Grasim. Grasim is also taking resistance at around 770. So if now 770 is broken, then it may give 5 10 rupees movement. But make sure that if it breaks in the downside, if it breaks 760, then again it may come up to 755 750. So these are the four stock which I have selected for 15th October. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my strategy of a stock selection, please hit like button. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.